Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all lots and lots of healthy weight loss lunch recipes. Now these recipes are very easy to prepare and you can carry them in your lunch as well. With the help of these recipes, you'll be able to lose 4 kgs in 10 days very easily. They're super effective for weight loss and very easy to prepare. So recently, I've been giving these recipes to my clients for weight loss, for their personalized transformations. And they've been seeing amazing, great transformations happening. For personalized diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number. And we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena, that is me. So without any delay, let's get started with weight loss lunch recipes to lose 4 kgs in 10 days super easily. The first recipe has to be brown rice pulao. Now this recipe works amazing for weight loss, and when you consume this in your lunch, the next morning you will definitely see a number lower in your scale. Now here is my recipe for brown rice pulao. It is super easy to prepare. All you have to do is soak some brown rice. Now I'm using here 1 cup of brown rice soaked, and along with that we'll start preparing our veggies. Now the key to a weight loss brown rice pulao is to add lots and lots of veggies to this. Now as you can see here, I have added lots and lots of fresh vegetables. Broccoli, carrot, peas, bell peppers, capsicum, whatever is freshly available with you in the season, add lots and lots of it and let them saute for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Once properly sauteed, add the seasoning to this as per your own choice. I prefer to add only salt and black pepper and nothing else. Add 3 cups of water to this and add the soaked brown rice. Let it cook for at least 3 whistles. Once done, let it simmer in the pressure cooker's steam, and once done, open it up. You'll see the amazing brown rice pulao is ready and ready to serve. Super tasty, super delicious and great for weight loss. You can have it along with curd or chutney, whatever is preferred to you, and have approximately 200 grams of cooked brown rice pulao. Now proceeding towards our second weight loss lunch recipe, which will be Mexican salad with a super delicious dressing. Now, we all Indians love rajma, so definitely we'll prepare Mexican salad in a very Indian form. For Mexican salad, I will be using here boiled and cooked rajma. Now approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of boiled and cooked rajma we'll use here. Fresh lettuce leaves as per your own choice. You can add iceberg lettuce or the normal Romanian lettuce. And then I'll be adding here freshly chopped cucumber, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, freshly chopped green chilies, freshly chopped coriander leaves, and definitely not to forget freshly chopped tomato. Now I've prepared here guacamole also. Now I've already had this guacamole. Now the recipe for guacamole is already shared on my Instagram. You can go check it out. It's super easy and very delicious, healthy fat for weight loss. And now let's prepare the dressing for this salad. For dressing, I'm using here olive oil, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and to this I'll be adding another 1 teaspoon of honey. Now this is wild honey, you can use any honey. 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, red chili flakes, mustard if you're comfortable with it, and black pepper powder for taste. Mix it all well, and I'll also be adding here some Italian seasoning. You can also add it and mix it all well and pour it over your salad. The last step is always to mix it all well and your delicious Mexican salad is ready. It is super easy and super effective for weight loss because it contains such a good amount of fiber in it. And definitely no salt. We'll only use lemon juice, black pepper powder and the seasoning dressing for taste. Lots and lots of good fiber, proteins, minerals, green veggies, vitamins, and amazing for weight loss. Proceeding towards our third weight loss lunch recipe, which has to be for all the roti and parantha lovers, weight loss parantha. Now I've already shared the weight loss parantha recipe with you all on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. The link to that particular recipe is in the description box below. Here is the recipe, super easy to prepare and tastes amazing. You can add into this spinach, methi, whatever is available in the season these days, and prepare a fresh parantha with oats atta or jaw atta or with a multigrain flour, and have it along with curd or chutney, whatever is available with you. Now, the fourth recipe for weight loss lunch is apple oat smoothie. Now, if you're more into quick lunches and do not have time to prepare your lunch, this oat smoothie works wonders because it contains good fiber, good protein, good potassium content, and as well as make sure that you are not constipated at all for the entire day and will not let you feel hunger for another 3 to 4 hours. So apple oat smoothie, the recipe is here. Super easy, super yummy, and you love having this lunch. Proceeding towards our next weight loss lunch recipe, it has to be oats, my personal favorite masala oats. Now the recipe for Indian masala oats is here. Add lots and lots of veggies to this, add gluten-free oats. Now the link to buy gluten-free oats is in the description box below. Go check it out. Super easy to prepare and definitely a very high protein and high calcium and definitely good fiber content in this lunch recipe. Now these are all the weight loss lunch recipes that you can have for your weight loss and works wonders to lose 4 kgs in 10 days super effectively. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation or disease management with me. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal recipes and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.